Today we're going to show you how to clean a fillet to prep it for a meal. So this is a silver that's caught in the ocean. We got some ribs right here we want to clean out because you don't want to serve those ribs. Got a fin, a couple fins. And take your sharp knife. We have a Rapala knife here, really sharp, sharpened it already. And go right underneath the ribs right here at an angle, parallel to the ribs. Get underneath it. I try not to waste too much meat, but I want to point our knife upward. There it is, see? You can see the rib marks. Go underneath the other ribs, slide up. And then you can just peel it up. So there you have it. All the ribs are gone. We want to clean this fin off. Down. There we go. And we turn this over. Got this little fin, we just want to cut off the collar right there. You can smoke that or grill it real quick. So there you have it. This thing on the grill just melt right off, so you don't have to worry about it, but all the ribs are gone. Nice and smooth fillet, meat's still good. Get yourself a sharp knife. Good luck.